And welcome back to the Data Expert. My name is Connor, and today we are solving the LeetCode SQL Challenge number 7, Product Sales Analysis. So this is a great problem for practicing basic joins and column selection in SQL. Okay, let's jump straight into the code. So we have two tables here, and I will close that there cell with two tables. One is called product and one is called sales. And well, straight away, two tables that signifies to me that we are going to need to do some sort of join. And the fact that we have a product ID that exists in both tables further exacerbates that suspicion that we're going to have to do a join. So when we look at the problem, we need to basically find the product name, the year, and the price for each sale ID in the sales table. What that means is we're going to take in this table here and we're going to join based on the product ID to bring in the product name. So pretty simple. However, I think now is a really good chance to talk about fact and dimension tables, what they are and why they matter. So, a fact table basically stores quantitative data, the measurements, the metrics, or the facts of a business process. It's usually numeric values that can be aggregated. So, you could sum the values, you could find the average, or you could find the count. An example here being the sales data. So this table here contains the price, the quantity. So we could do quantity times price gives you total, and then we could sum the total, etc. And then this table here, the product table, that is the dimension table, and that aims to provide context to the facts, descriptive information, basically answering who, what, where, why, and when. The content is usually textual or descriptive data, so that's in comparison to the fact table that has numeric data. And yet the dimension table is usually smaller, which in this case they're both 3 rows. But imagine in real life if you were working for a company and you were exporting out from a financial system, from an ERP, from SAP or whatever. There's plenty of different examples there. You export out transactional data from the accounts, and you have millions and millions of rows. And in that transactional data, you just had the product ID. Well, you would join on with a smaller table which contained maybe 100 rows. Let's say the company sold 100 products. You would join that table on to the transactional data to give you the answer so that you could put it into Power Query or you could analyze it in a pivot table or whatever whatever the company requires of you. So that is something that I will definitely do another another video on soon because I think it's so important. Anyway, back to the example here. So what we are going to do, and I will copy this down below, and I will do select all from sales, because sales is our left table, our main table. I'm going to select all from sales, and then I'm going to left join the product table, we'll call that P, on the product ID columns. They are the keys. And why do we use product ID? Well, because product ID exists in this table and exists in this table. So it's basically if you think of a dictionary, an Italian to English dictionary, one is in Italian, one is in English. They both mean the same thing, and we're trying to find the commonalities. So I will do P dot dot, and then I will do S dot that. Now, bit of a problem. I have got select all here. What I want to do is I want to do p dot product name, and then I want to do s dot year, and then I want to do s dot price. So I bring in the three columns that have been required of me in the challenge. The product name. Product name is coming from this table here. The year and the price for each sale ID. Great. So now when I run that, no issues. Yep, we have got the product name here, the year, and the price. As I said, keep an eye out for my video explaining fact and dimension tables. It's a really important concept, especially in Power Query, Power BI, where the ability to deal with large amounts of data isn't so big, so good. And yeah, until the next time, where we will continue on our mission to try and turn you from beginner to advanced in SQL. Thanks, guys.